Hi, in this video we'll show how to install an HP laptop computer cover. First, separate the top and bottom covers. The bottom cover should have multiple cutouts for venting. Next, prepare to install the bottom cover first. Be sure to observe the cover for proper positioning. Some covers have retractable legs, like this one does. If yours does, make sure the legs are facing toward the back of the computer, so they can properly function as a stand. Next, turn the laptop over. Note where the accessory ports are. Also observe the cutouts on the cover to ensure they will align with the accessory ports on the laptop. Now, gently snap the bottom cover in place, making sure each end fits snugly. Next, prepare to install the top cover. Examine the cover for any tabs or clips that should face toward the back of the laptop. Firmly snap the cover in place by squeezing the top and bottom sections together. You should hear an audible clicking sound as the cover snaps into place. Repeat this process on each end of the laptop, turning it slowly, until the cover is properly seated in place. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, subscribe and leave questions or comments below, as it helps our channel to grow. Goodbye.